Before I start, look at this. Can you believe this is a rose and is made of a simple tissue paper? Hello everyone, welcome back to Artsbyvaishh. Today I'm gonna show you how to create this beautiful tissue paper flower. For that we will need some material. So we will need tissue paper, glass, color box, pencil, scissor. So first I'll take this tissue paper out of the roll and then we will fold it like in the half, then again half of it and up from above side and we'll put it together. Okay, after this what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw petal shape on this. So like this I'll draw. Here I can have 4 petals, so that out of one tissue paper I can get 8 petals. Like this I'll prepare some more set of petals. Meanwhile, let's do some chit chat. Let me know how many of you love craft. If you ask me, yes, I love craft and especially handmade paper art because it shows creativity and patience. Now these petals are ready and now I'll cut it in the proper shapes. First I'll cut it in a half as we already folded the tissue paper, and then we'll cut the petals shape. I'm making rose because I love rose. Tell me which is your favorite flower. Mine is definitely rose. I love how elegant and layered it looks. So that's why I enjoy making flowers like this. I personally love roses because they look so soft, detailed and beautiful from each and every angle, right? But I'm curious, what's your favorite flower? So comment below. We are ready with the petals. Now I'll take some colors. Here I am taking 2 colors, pink and yellow. You can take any color of your choice. Okay, now our petal will look like this. So I am holding it like that and dipping upper part in a pink shade and below part in a yellow shade. So let it dry. I am keeping it on one paper, and similarly I'll color other petals as well. It's almost done and these are the petals. I'll let it dry in sunlight so that it will dry quickly and it's done. Pretty shades, isn't it? Okay, so now we will need one glass and glue. We will take petals one by one and we'll apply glue and next petal on it. Like this we will repeat this process. I post easy and realistic paper craft tutorials regularly. So if you love, enjoy simple and the beautiful DIY crafts like this, and if you love to learn creative things step by step, so this channel is perfect for you. Make sure you subscribe to Arts by Vaish so you don't miss my next creative idea. The more petals you add, the more volume and the softness the flower gets. That's what makes it more realistic and beautifully fluffy. So don't forget to add as many as petals you have. And we are almost done. And after this I'll take a green paper and I'll draw a leaf shape on it. After drawing I'll cut it. Dark green is done. Now I am taking light green, so I'll cut it in a leaf shape again. 4 leaves. and we will paste it over the darker shade. And here I am trying to give some realistic leaf shape, so I am trying to cut it this way, and it's done. Now we will pull out the flower out of the glass and we will stick this leaf to the flower. I'm adjusting this petal so that it looks perfect. After that I'll add one straw here to hold it, and look how amazing it is looking, right? I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and learned something new today. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Bye.